Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the screen size on your PS4 to match with your TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Sound and Screen. In Screen Settings, select Display Area Settings. Now use the arrow buttons on your controller to adjust the area to fit your TV display. You should make it so that the 4 arrows fit nicely into the corners of the screen. When you are done, click the X button to save it, or the circle button to cancel it. You can now choose from 4 different types of themes. You can choose between 3 default effects: Flow, Jewel, and Particle. You can also select Custom to design your own theme, or select Browse PlayStation Store to download themes.